Welcome friends, thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here I am in Middleton. This video is going to be a walk and talk. I wanted to show you what is going on in Middleton. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. The Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. And I am standing right across the street from the high school, the Middleton High School, the Villages High School. Their mascot is the buffalo. Their colors are green and gold, kind of like the Green Bay Packers, similar to. And here it is. This is almost kind of sort of like a town square. I see a Christmas tree, a very large Christmas tree that is decorated. Happy holidays, everyone. I do appreciate each and every one of you watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. You can share the videos as well with your friends. You know, this community here has a very much of a feel of a town square right here. Thanks for liking my videos. Here I am on Middleton Drive. And you can see they have a lot of retail available here. Most of them are still closed or unoccupied. But I wanted to give you a view of what Middleton looks like. There is a new restaurant that is soon to be open, and I wanted to show you what that looks like as well. You can see lots of retail space in this area. Very wide sidewalks here as well. Beautiful Christmas decorations. It is a wonderful day to be in the Villages. What are you waiting for? Middleton is waiting for you to visit. I do appreciate it. I wanted to show you the new restaurant that's set to open very shortly here in the Villages. They have some construction going on over here as well. This will be awesome once these retail stores are occupied. It'll be really nice. But right now I don't see very many that are occupied at all. Here they got mail slots for these retailers. And they are putting utilities in here as well. So the construction continues here in Middleton. Putting pipes in. Lots of retail going on. It's gorgeous. That's the first thing I notice about Middleton. It's awesome. It's gorgeous. A lot of high-end finishes, a lot of brick, a lot of glass. You do have a few people milling around on their golf carts, waiting to go shopping here in Middleton. That is the high school right over there. Oh, look at this. It looks like they have an outdoor bar area being worked on right here. And this is part of the Victory Sports Bar and Grill. And that is the restaurant that was announced recently by the Villages. They do have a YouTube video announcing the opening of the Victory Sports Bar and Grill, located right across from the Villages High School. Right there it is. Lots of glass. I see leather sofas in there. Coming soon. Victory Sports Bar. It is owned and operated. It's actually operated by The FMK Group. The FMK Group operates a lot of restaurants in and around the Villages area. I believe the Chop House is one of them. I think maybe Bluefin. Now hiring all positions. Daily interviews Tuesday through Saturday. Victory Sports Bar and Grill. There you have it. When you retire to the Villages, you can pick up a part-time job at the Victory Sports Bar and Grill. How awesome is that? You can see there's still a lot of construction that needs to be done here. But I wanted to give you an initial tour of what Middleton looks like. And I wanted to show you where the Victory Sports Bar and Grill was as well. Very beautifully decorated. It does feel like a town square. Frozen custard coming soon. Abbott's frozen custard coming soon right there. You'll be able to get your sports bar and grill going and a custard. There are people milling around here in Middleton. There's a residential district over there. That is a non-age restricted community right over there in Middleton. For those new to the Villages, Middleton is non-age restricted. Middleton essentially was constructed to support those individuals that work in and around the Villages. They wanted to provide housing for those people. So they built Middleton. Middleton has its own unique website. It is totally segregated from the Villages. It's like its own unique entity. Oh, look at this. This looks like it's going to be a water park or something along those lines, where kids can run around and they'll have water jets shooting up from the cement. That's what that looks like. Very awesome. And here we walk across the street. Looks like a beautiful park. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Very beautiful, very awesome. Wanted to show you what this park looks like. Very impressive. The photos and YouTube videos do not do this justice. You need to come here and see this with your own two eyes. This is beautiful. Birds are feeding. Wow. Very nice. Look at that. It's awesome. This reminds me a little bit of the retention pond up at Glenview Country Club. Only bigger and nicer. What is this? Looks like a dock, boat launch area. Look at that. There's a boat launch over there. Let's go down there and take a closer look. Just so you know, the Performing Arts Center is on the other side of the high school, on the other side over there. And there were a lot of cars there. Today is Sunday. Where are all the people? Again, high-end finishes. You got brick, you got stone. Lord, look at that bridge right there. Looks like the London Bridge that they tore down and reconstructed in Arizona. Water looks a little brown. Stone, look at that stone. I will do future videos of Middleton as it gets going, as it gets busier. I do appreciate you watching my channel. You can share the videos with your friends. I would appreciate that as well. Lots of building to be done. They've only just begun. And off in the distance, you do see the rock quarry over there. Those silos right there. That's our rock quarry. And here we are on the corner of Dr. Randy McDaniel Way and Alder Avenue. And this is where I'm going to finish the video. Alder Avenue, Dr. Randy McDaniel Way. Right there. They have a beautiful silo at the entrance of Middleton right over there. That silo is gorgeous. Right there you'll see a silo. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.